Today I would like to talk about Heritage IR from Tamco. We just launched this product. We announced it at the show today. Very excited to have this product. We also launched it with a lifetime warranty. We have the best support in the market.
The Owens Corning Preferred Protection Limited Warranty. More than just a roof.
In this video, I'm going to go over top 3 options for roofing warranties. This video is for both roofers and my homeowners who is on the market to buy a new roof. Please pay close attention because roofing warranty is a touchy subject. There's a lot of gimmicks. Companies are playing gimmicks, manufacturers are playing gimmicks, and I want to give you the insights from the roofing industry, what you should know before considering to buy any one of these options. First, I want to do a quick disclaimer about warranties in general. Warranties are usually a choice. A lot of people are not buying extended warranties when they buy cars, when they buy phones. It's really your choice as a consumer to buy or not to buy, to pay or not to pay extra for extended coverage. Last car I have purchased, I did not buy extended coverage, and the sales rep was very pissed at me, was almost trying to belittle me, how stupid I was. Something like roof is a little bit different. I would say usually you want to be protected, but unfortunately it comes with a price. So in this comparison, I'm going to give you the cost of loyalty to that warranty or to that option, how much it costs if you go that route, and also how trustworthy is that system. In my humble opinion, this is all my opinion. It might vary from other roofers. I have been in the industry for a decade now. With that being said, let's go to our 3 options. Option number 1. For a roofing company, if you're a roofing contractor, you can offer it if you have built the biggest roofing business in your area. Let me explain that a little bit. We have about 8 major brands who produces asphalt shingles in the country. So those companies will offer roofers extended warranties. They say, if you do this, this, and this, we're gonna cover your work essentially. The problem with that is it comes with the cost of that loyalty. Usually you have to buy their accessories, you have to pay extra money to register it with that manufacturers, and in my estimate it costs anywhere from 3 to 5%. You definitely could be saving money if you would buy an accessories elsewhere. Like for example, if you buy synthetic felt paper from another source, if you buy ice and water from another source, you could get it cheaper, but they want you to spend money with them and they want to warranty the job. So the challenge that I see with this option is, and this is my experience, if you're the roofing contractor watching it, please comment below if you agree with this statement. Roofing manufacturers are treating big companies completely different than the smaller players. Quick shout out to today's video sponsor, Estimate Experts. Estimate Experts helps roofing contractors to bill insurance companies. As you know, insurance companies like to shorten original estimates by 30-40%. Estimate Experts is one of those companies that we here at Roofing Insights have been recommending and one of the best in the space. If you're a roofing contractor and you are not sending additional bills upon completion of your claims and you don't supplement your jobs, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. Check out Estimate Experts. I'm going to put the link below. Thank you for sponsoring this video and make this type of content possible. So out of the box, as a consumer, you would be thinking, all right, if I'm buying Owens Corning duration shingle from Lowe's or Home Depot or ABC Supply, it should have the same coverage. You probably be thinking that you get the same coverage if you're buying from owner operator and if you're buying it from company like Monarch Roofing, who is GF Master Elite. Well, I would argue that when you buy from a bigger player and you do have that 1 or 2% chance of that product to fail on you, that bigger player will be treated completely different. I have seen it time and time again. Big companies, market leaders are swear by manufacturers. You need to understand the statistics in the roofing industry. 80% of roofing contractors are going out of business within 5 years. Manufacturers know that data. So if a roofer does $1, $2, maybe $3 million a year, they have agreement with the manufacturer not to disparage them, not to talk about problems with the quality, so they can easily charge them in case if there's a problem on a job and can easily deny it or drag it for a couple of years instead of just paying it out. I've seen this trend for years in the roofing community. Big companies swear by manufacturer warranties because they are treated simply different. And the smaller guys usually complain and say, well, it takes them 6 months, year and a half, 2 years. They keep giving me runarounds. And that's why the trust level I put here is 5 out of 10. If you ask roofers how good our roofing warranties are, bigger players usually will say, every time I have a problem, they take care of it. And smaller guys usually say, it's not good, we don't recommend it, boom. That's why a lot of companies, instead of dealing with the manufacturers because they're maybe too small, they actually create their own warranties. And that's option number 2. Many companies are doing it. So this is usually makes sense for the companies who've been in business for 20, 30 years, because if you're offering 50-year warranty on the second year in business, everybody's going to call you out. But in this case, you have this option. You can put money on the side and say, if something happened to our jobs, we're going to give you 50-year warranty or 20-year warranty, wherever the warranty is, and you act as your own bank. You have your own claim department and you deal with your own warranties. Now, I'm not going to judge it. I'm not going to criticize it. If that's your business choice and if you're the homeowner, if you're okay with it, if you trust it, good. For me personally, it's less trustworthy than manufacturer warranties, and I give it only 3 out of 10 because manufacturers still bigger. People still gonna trust more multi-billion-dollar company versus owner-operator. I mean, we have seen $20, $30 million companies going out of business. It does happen. So you have to be careful who you trust. And if you absolutely trust this company, maybe they've been around for 80 years. I don't know who you're dealing with, but for me, trust level here is definitely 2 notches down from manufacturer warranties. And of course, the cost of loyalty to this brand costs you nothing. So they're not gonna sell you extra warranty, and it's not going to cost you a lot. One of the companies that I know is a friend of mine, Gennaro, and his company Bison Roofing, so they do limited lifetime workmanship warranty on their jobs. Now, third option is to offer third-party insurance, and this is what DT Roofing offers. So essentially, you hire someone who acts as insurance company to warranty your job and to cover manufacturer defects. One of those companies is our business, Directory.com. We started it about 4 years ago. We've dealt with 7 claims total, and we paid out all of those claims. Trust level, I put it to be determined. 4 years in business. For insurance company, for new startup, you decide how much you trust in this type of business. It would be big bias and mistake for me to rank my own company here, but overall, you have couple companies who will actually, I don't know any company who will warranty shingles. Directory does offer shingle manufacturer warranty and also workmanship warranty for entire amount. So it's up to $20,000 guarantee before you register. So if you hire a contractor, give them checks, up to $20,000, you guarantee that they're not gonna steal from you and any unethical behavior like insurance fraud. And after you register the job, you actually have a warranty for entire project amount. Cost of loyalty to this brand and companies who is using them, it's 1.5%. So DT Roofing is doing this on all of their projects. Last month, I believe they did about $800,000 worth of business. And the way it works and the way I explain to people how Directory is different from other insurance companies or other shingle manufacturer warranties even, is Directory actually is in business to make recommendations and back those recommendations with our money. So it's all business decision. A lot of manufacturers are playing warranty as a gimmick, where Directory plays Directory as a business model. And I think it's very simple business strategy plan, business plan, because we want to pay out for the claims. We've paid 7 of them. We want to make manufacturers accountable. We have over 500 roofers already listed on Directory.com. Few of them will fail here and there, and essentially we take, this is like, works like true insurance company. So everybody's paying little fee, 1.5% to register the job. So when something goes wrong, when let's say we have manufacturer defect, problems with the shingles, we're gonna deal with the homeowner. We're always gonna do what's right for the end consumer because we promised to make a good recommendation for the contractor and also to back up against manufacturer defects. And if manufacturer does not wanna back it up, we're gonna write a check to the homeowner and we will deal with manufacturers on the back end. Why? Well, let me put it this way. The way we see the industry, there's too many claims, insurance claims, that should not be insurance claims, that should be liability of manufacturers. Unfortunately, roofers' hands are tied. I've been a roofing contractor for many years. I sold my business in 2020 to do this full time because as a roofing contractor, I could not come after roofing manufacturers. Now, with the directory.com, we can. We have investors, we have money, and we are in business to do what's right. We're in business to pay out claims. Think about Jeff Bezos and Amazon early on. What are they known for? They were so determined to build the best product for their customers. So they knew that they want to do 1 or 2 day deliveries. It was very expensive. They were not making monies. But when you have the business plan to do what's right for the end consumer, even if it's costing you money, you're still gonna do it until you're profitable. Good thing for directory, we're already profitable, we're already making money, so we don't have that problem. Even if we don't have money to pay out claim, we wanna pay out claim because it's the right thing to do, and I believe it's the best advertising for directory.com. So if you're the contractor and you wanna offer this warranty, your cost is gonna be 1.5% on all of your jobs, and directory will cover all of your work for the entire amount you register. So if you register $68,000, it will be covered for $68,000 against workmanship problems and manufacturer defects. And if you're the homeowner, you can ask your contractor to offer this guarantee. If you believe in it better than you believe in their own warranty or maybe manufacturer warranty, you can ask for it. We do see more and more contractors are buying into third-party guarantees versus manufacturers. Why? Because manufacturers have very small warranty claim ratio. It's 1, maybe 2%, but even when they do, they're not in business to pay out those claims. That's how I see it. I'm not talking about all of them. Some manufacturers are way better than others, but on this channel, we gave you example like Temco, for example. In writing, they advertise 130-mile wind warranties. In reality, in their paperwork, in their warranty exclusions, it's actually 75 miles, which is very small hurricane. So I want you to think about what's happening in the industry. Warranties are written by lawyers. Companies like Better Business Bureau also could be paying out for bad recommendations. They reckon like $500 million a year. But when you have a business plan that protects you, it's always going to be that way. We're in business to protect our homeowners, and we're in business to pay out claims. That's how it works. Comment below what you think about this business model. Comment below what you think about 3 options that you have as a contractor to offer and as a homeowner to request or demand from your contractor. And as always, you can download directory.com in your app store for both Android and Apple. You can browse contractors in your area. We will help you to find contractors near you. Hope it helps, and comment below what you guys think. I read all of my comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.